everyone, I am Megan, also known as MegZT the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy glam bag. Before I jump into the bag, just a quick disclaimer. I am sick. I've been sick this past week, that's why I haven't uploaded. But I wanted to just go ahead and put something out there even though I am still sick. So please excuse my appearance and excuse my voice. But anyways, let's jump into this bag. So Ipsy has now gotten a new packaging makeover, I guess you would say. I have already seen the bag on social media and it's so adorable. This month is October 2019 and the bag is Betty Boop. So on the front you have Betty Boop in cartoon style. You have a B Ipsy zipper, and then on the back it is this cute sequin bag. So it is reversible. You can use it either way. This is super cute for the Betty Boop lovers or anybody who loves nostalgic cartoons. This month's theme is Flaunt It. Here's the postcard as usual. First up, I have a K-Voss lip treatment. There is 7 milliliters of product in here, and it is made with sunflower oil and shea butter. It is certified vegan, and this has a 12-month shelf life. This is supposed to be a lip balm and gloss, and it's supposed to have an intense reparative formula that can prevent your lips from being cracked or damaged. Let's see. Here's the packaging. Super interesting. I will have to try this with all my new skincare products that I've recently gotten. Next up, I have the Nomad Beauty Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach. This is a a Kiss of Sun highlighter. It is a smooth, blendable, and buildable powder pink highlighter with glistening pearls to create a sun-kissed look. And so this is cruelty-free and vegan. I really like the Nomad Beauty pan eyeshadows. Sorry, I have a fever and kind of forgetting things. But they all have these cute little packaging. It's kind of like a compact. And ooh. That is really nice. It's very fair and it almost has hints of orange. This looks kind of like a summery product, but let me try it out. That's what it looks like on my finger. Let me get a little bit more. So I know I was already glistening because I'm kind of sweaty, to be honest, but that gives me a really nice glow. I can't wait to try that. And it does look very naturally sun-kissed, so I like that. Next up is from a brand that I really enjoy. It is the Hemp brand. This is a triple moisturizer. It's a herbal whipped body cream all day moisturizer, and it is enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. There's 2.25 fluid ounces in here. And this is just like their sample size. I have their large bottle of lotion and I always keep their large bottle of lotion around because it's great for people with sensitive skin. This looks like a different version of what I have, but let me try to smell it even though I can't really smell right now. It smells good from what I can tell. Like I said, my senses are off right now. I can't smell much, but I can tell that I like this because I like all the hemp products. I definitely would recommend them. I have the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydration Serum and SPF 50 Plus. I'm assuming that this is concealer. Okay, it says right here that it's your only step, so possibly this is foundation. It says that immediately 100% of people that tried this said that it increased their skin hydration. It says that 96% they say they had smoother skin. 85% said they saw improvement in wrinkles, and 77% said their pores appeared smaller. You can see the result. You can see the results right there. And last but not least, this is a Ipsy product. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy collaboration. It is really cute. It's got the lips right there that are metallic and red, and it's got some cute writing right there. This is the shade Mauve It Baby. There is 0.1 ounce of product, or 3 grams of product. And let me just open it right up. My cat's deciding to steal the show. I'm gonna try this out. Ooh, that's really gorgeous. That's gonna, all right. Ipsy, I love that formula. It's very soft and it just glides on right there. It has the perfect shape for my lip. And it does seem to be a buildable lip color. So definitely check that out. If you did not get the Betty Boop lipstick in your glam bag, I would definitely recommend it because this is really beautiful. It's like my favorite shade for fall. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. That concludes the October 2019 Betty Boop Ipsy glam bag. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it wasn't that entertaining because I'm not that entertaining whenever I'm sick, but I wanted to put something out there for you guys, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all later. Bye guys!